Unlock the full potential of your Nikon Z8 for breathtaking landscape photography with these essential settings. First, let's address exposure, the bedrock of any great landscape shot. I recommend starting with Aperture Priority Mode, or on your mode dial. This allows you to control depth of field, crucial for sharp foregrounds and backgrounds for most landscapes. An aperture between f8 and f11 is ideal, striking a balance between sharpness across the scene and avoiding diffraction. Keep your ISO as low as possible, typically ISO 64 or 100, to minimize noise and maximize detail. Only increase ISO if absolutely necessary due to low light conditions. Next, focus for landscapes. Manual focus is often your best friend. Select manual focus MF from the focus mode menu. Once in manual focus, activate focus peaking. This is a game changer, highlighting the edges of in-focus areas with a colored overlay, ensuring precision. Aim to focus approximately 1/3 of the way into your scene. Alternatively, for consistent sharpness, you can utilize the infinity focus position on your lens if it's marked, but always double-check with focus peaking or a zoomed-in test shot. For picture controls, neutral or flat are excellent starting points. These settings retain maximum dynamic range and color information in your raw files, giving you more flexibility in post-processing to bring out the vibrancy of your landscape. You can always add contrast and saturation later. Composition is key. Use the rule of thirds grid overlay in your viewfinder or on the rear LCD to guide your framing. Place your horizon line on either the top or bottom third, and don't be afraid to use leading lines, like rivers or paths, to draw the viewer's eye into the scene. Finally, ensure your camera is set to shoot in RAW file format for the highest quality and editing flexibility. With these settings dialed in, you're ready to capture the stunning beauty of the natural world with your Nikon Z8.